KHON2 weather, Kamakapili.
It's a beautiful day outside, and the good news that beautiful conditions with our weather takes us into the first week, the first day of August tomorrow. Can you believe that? Goodness gracious. Highlighting Molokai, the one thing that we're really focusing on continually is the wind speeds. We're not expecting too much shower activity, especially tomorrow afternoon. We are seeing a slight uptick in showers for tomorrow morning, especially tomorrow night. That could become more numerous showers than the scattered showers we're expecting in the afternoon time. But the wind speeds are going to remain on this breezy level, and that's keeping our threats slightly elevated for that fire threat, our Makani, that wind advisory, and even the small craft advisory that remains for the entire state. All of that now in effect to at least tomorrow evening at 6 p.m. In terms of our ocean conditions, we still do have some fun-sized waves rolling down on the south-facing shores, 3 to 5 footers, 4 to 6 choppiest conditions for the east as our trade winds are coming in from the east-northeasterly direction, 2 to 4 for the west, and flat to 2 remains up north. Now, what we're looking at is water vapor imagery. Towards the left is all of that moisture. We even see some of these high clouds lingering overhead for the west end of the state, giving us some beautiful sunsets last night and this morning. But that's going to be pushed off towards the west while we have this big pocket of dry air that's going to be moving over the island chain. So we're going to be seeing dry conditions, but as we get into the middle of next week or this upcoming week, we're definitely going to see those rain chances jump up, especially the second half of the week. Where we get to Wednesday, as you can see on this future radar, we have those green blobs popping in. We're going to have an upper level disturbance that's going to move into our vicinity, and that's going to jump those rain chances for pretty much the second half of the week. But we're going to start to see that bump starting tomorrow, but really jump up and increase as we get into the middle and the second half of the week. But tomorrow, a beautiful day across Hawaii with partly cloudy skies. 89 degrees looks to be the high coming in from Maui. 88 here in here on Oahu. And you see these rain chances, especially the windward sides. They're all back up to this typical scattered showers during, again, mainly with these trade winds. It's the morning and the afternoon hours, leaving those leeward sides fairly dry, especially with those drought conditions as we've talked about continuing to prevail. Good news, those breezy trade winds takes us in through tomorrow, and especially that northeasterly direction, that's going to help to bring more of a cool feel within the air. That slightly tapers down Tuesday, and then unfortunately we lose the trade winds and gets replaced with more light and variable conditions as we get into the second half of the week into next weekend, and that's because of that disturbance. That could be increasing rain chances, especially afternoon hours with some cloud buildup for the leeward and interior sections with those light and variable winds. But the better news is as we take a peek into next weekend, we're expecting those trade winds to make its returns to some moderate and locally breezy conditions. Have a blessed week, everybody. Sam, back to you.